10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is how a normal countdown works. But for me, the countdown has already begun. The countdown towards the next year. With just 1.5 months left, I want to prep myself right in advance so that I checklist all of my goals for the next year. I have designed a 6P formula which is tried and tested, which has helped me grow as a person from last year to this year, and I'm very sure that it's going to help me from this year to the next year as well. So let's dive right in to the first P. If you guys have been following my videos, you will probably know that I have talked a lot about this first P, and it is my favorite word, and I'm sure that it's going to be my favorite word for years to come. Well, the first P is prioritize. I have realized it's more about what you prioritize than how you prioritize. It's from my own personal experience, because I have been the kind of person who has always wanted to do everything under the sun, and in my attempt to do everything under the sun, I have somehow always been jack of all trades and master of none. This discovery happened when I was doing some workshops, when I was reading some self-help books, and I wish that I had discovered this in my 20s. Last year in the lockdown, I was conducting a few workshops about mindset, about motivation, and this particular question kept repeatedly coming in about what should be prioritized. Also, in the office few days back, we were having a similar discussion, and if Mayank and Vaishnavi, you are watching this video, this first P is specially for you guys. Well, before we begin this exercise, there are 2 parts to it. Well, there are 3 parts to it. The first part involves getting a pen and a paper. First part, check. Please pause this video and get a pen and a paper right now, because without this, the exercise might not really do you as good as I want it to do. Now, make a list of 20 things that you want to do. Please don't apply the filters. These 20 things may be irrelevant to your parents, may be irrelevant to the society, may be irrelevant to the whole world. But if they matter to you, please pen them down. Now, the third and the most final part of this exercise. Before doing that, I want you guys to just close your eyes. Till the count of 4, breathe in. Till the count of 8, breathe out. Listen to me very carefully. Imagine, beginning right now, you just have 12 hours to live. Those 12 hours, only 2 hours you can spend with your loved ones. The rest 10 hours, you get to do what you want to do. If you have made the list of 20 items, I suggest you to narrow it down to top 10. The first step towards prioritizing is elimination. Are you guys with me so far? Please don't take the exercise lightly, because believe me, this is how I arrived at what I want to do in life. Now let's say God is sort of happy with you and He gives you bonus 2 hours after you've ended the 10-hour period. Now pick one thing that you will do for the last 2 hours that you live on this planet. That particular thing may not make you money right now. That particular thing may not make your parents proud right now. But if that particular thing makes you happy, the next important step is to start spending 15 minutes every day to do that thing, because if that makes you happy, it's going to make you a fuller person. that happy person, that fuller person is going to reflect in every other thing that you do. And this takes us to the second P, which we will see in the next video. Please stay tuned, because trust me guys, these 6 P's have transformed my life, and I'm very sure that they're going to do the same for you. Before we close in for today, like you know that I have taken in a small goal of hitting 1000 subscribers. I have taken in a small goal of hitting 1000 subscribers by end of this December. And if you have found this particular video interesting, and if you found this particular video meaningful, please share with your near and dear ones and ask them to subscribe. Until then, see you next Sunday and keep becoming a better version of yourself.